champion squad?
What's good?
What's up to the champion squad?
What's good?
What's up to the champion squad? What's up, champion squad? It's your girls Tiki.
Nika.
And we're back with another mukbang just for y'all.
Mukbang in the building.
Yeah, today we're eating some homemade beef stew with vegetables and corn. So it's not a restaurant, it's something we put together at the house. So let's get into it. We're not going to prolong it. We're going to get into the eating part, what you come to see. Yes.
It's corn though. It's corn. Yeah. It's corn, Tiki. It's corn.
This ginger ale though. Yes, honey, yes. Let's get into it.
Good.
Put it up.
That's not the corn if you don't got no juice, girl.
I bet you.
Stop the corn back.
You like to suck, don't you? You like to suck, don't you? I said suck corn. You said suck. You keep saying suck. I'm like, okay. I'm not sucking all the juices. I'm just saying. That's all I said.
Yeah.
I got mine went straight in the gutter. Let me try it.
By the way, how y'all champion been doing out there today?
I hope wonderful. Yeah. Well, let's do a thumb. That was cool. Cause you went. I can't with you.
Yeah. Come on, girl.
Juicy, buttery, and sweet.
Oh, that meatball hard. Look at that. Look at that. Oh. Yeah. With that rice. See that?
Excuse me.
That carrot. Look at that carrot.
Potato. Onions and soda. Clamp another plate. I don't like that. Huh. Soaked up all the seasonings a little bit more. Seasoning. I thought I was the only one. Be right back, y'all.
Oh, this meat.
little salt.
Mhm.
Try this fast. My seasonings. Hey, try these first. Oh, excuse me, y'all. Excuse me. That was a big boy burp though. Seriously. That's something serious.
Yeah. Juicy.
I'm gonna have corn all in my food. Man, I get that, baby. You know it's juicy and moist. When you bite into it, you have juice scoot out, skeet out the corn. That baby burp. I dropped me corn. Good piece number 2. That's a done deal.
Let me have a family and watch Empire tonight. Yeah. Valentine back on.
We're full already. A little bit more seasoning.
I'm trying to take that breath away.
Take my breath away.
Yeah.
You see my eye gone. I know one thing. The next mukbang that we do, we're gonna have story time with it. I'm putting that out there. Got some corn in your chin. Just take out your chin.
I feel this thing dry.
Oh. No comments.
Oh!
I can love that. Ooh, I love the corn.
like a big old carrot.
Gigantic, bro.
Yeah.
No, thank you. Give it to the champion squad. I don't want it. I ain't hear about to click on these last plate. Yeah. Hunk of meat.
You have to get a piece of big old meat. So you take a long time to chew.
I'm not doing that either. Cause it makes the jaw tired. I'm not talented in that area where I can chew and suck and and my jaw don't get tired, cause mine get tired real quick.
Girl, it's taking forever. Forever.
I need to go. Well, I'm done. I eat all my rice and my corn and all my meat. But I'm good.
I had a little bit more of this.
I'm good.
With this meat.
Oh.
It's gonna slow me down.
You good. Cause I eat all my rice. Champion squad, what y'all eating tonight?
Yep.
We got the beef stew, the rice, over the rice, with veggies and corn on the side. Ooh. Ooh. Excuse me, y'all. Goodness. The ginger ale ain't no joke. I got meat out in my teeth. I know meat and corn, so wow. I'm gonna be picking my teeth all night. I'm gonna go brush them bad boys. Daddy get it out. I'm not gonna be fighting with this all night.
Comfort food.
Pretty much. Southern comfort. We from the South, y'all. We from the South.
You have what? And I'm thinking my questions. Oh well.
Are you tapping out?
I guess I got strong food.
Everything needs to be fed. So I'm paying no mind.
No. I'll do one more bite and I'm done.
She's done. We're gonna hold her to that one more bite. We'll see if she do. She might. Yes, y'all. Yes. If you haven't already, but hit up our other social media such as Instagram and Twitter. TIKI_N_Nika. That's for our Twitter and our Instagram. Hit us up on there. Also, comment below for future mukbangs you would like. Spam us with future mukbangs y'all would like to see us do in the future. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. We're getting up there. And turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified when we drop a new video. We want to thank y'all. We truly thank y'all.
Yeah.
Become a part of the champion squad. And if you new, you know what to do. I just said. Like, comment, subscribe to our channel. We do mukbangs, we do a lot more. But yeah. So, you ready to end this time? So, until next time, be safe, be blessed. We love you. Thank you for the support. And we out this thing. Peace.